These are the top 5 winning products to sell right now in March 2024. These products can make you a ton of cash if you market them in the right way, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Click the link down below as well. You can download the cheat sheet, which will give you the entire list of products, all the links to the suppliers, the marketing angles you can use, as well as the audience that you're actually going to be targeting, as well as example competitor sites to show you who's actually making money with this product so you can model their success. Let's get into it. So this product is a 3-in-1 car coating spray. As you can see, this protects against scratches and UV damage for a whole new car finish and look, and it has a long-lasting durable ceramic coating protection. This is easy to use and it's a cost-effective solution for people wanting to save money to service their car. So this product is high in demand in the car maintenance niche. It has impressive margins. You can see it's very cheap. It's £1.43 to actually get this product, so we can mock this up for a high price. There's global market appeal, everyone owns a vehicle, and there's strong social proof potential. There's a clear before and after gimmick that we can use for the ads as well, so there's very clear purpose-driven creative we can create from this. So you want to sell this on TikTok or Facebook. We want to market this to around 30 to 60-year-old car owners who are interested in DIY maintenance, who take pride in the appearance of their vehicles, who are likely very value-conscious consumers who want products to save time and money whilst giving professional grade results. I'm going to quickly show you the ad now that I've shown you the product. This is a very simple ad. If you don't care about your car's aesthetic, keep scrolling. So that's the hook. And then it shows the product introduces a ceramic coating which helps maintain your vehicle, and it literally just shows it in action. It says all dirt and liquid will simply just slide off. So it shows it's simple to use, it's quick results, and then it says it uses nanotechnology to actually give it this finish, and then it also gives the offer, which is 50% off and free shipping. Very, very simplistic setup for the ad. Next up is this 5-in-1 fast car charger. So this has built-in lightning fast USB-C cables, which eliminates the need to have separate chargers for your devices, and it reduces cable clutter. There's multiple options here for simultaneous charging. For devices, for an example, it's a concurrent device and power pack charging system with wireless charging capabilities, and there's a few different variants here. These are a little bit different to the actual product being sold by the brand. This is just an example of one you can source yourself, and this is a product which is high in demand. Everyone has a phone, so there's very broad appeal to this. There's high marketability because it has that wow factor, and it's got good cross-sell opportunities if you want to upsell them different additional accessories for phones. This is the ad. You're going to sell this on TikTok and Facebook. So it says get rid of bundles of cables for each of your devices because now you have a one neat device to charge them all. Introduces the product name, shows that it has built-in cables. It shows them that you can actually charge multiple 5 devices at once instead of the typical one device for a normal cable. So where it says the red text, that's like the original chargers, and the green text is showing our charger, which is much better. So we're showing a comparison before and after, what you can expect if you use your standard chargers and what you can expect if you buy this product. So this is a nice creative formula. Then it introduces the website. There's no offer here, but it's just a clear call to action. So who we're going to sell this type of charger to? So 18 to 45-year-old tech-savvy individuals with multiple smart devices who value efficiency and convenience, value in tech that simplifies their life on the go for mobility and connectivity. They likely have a busy lifestyle requiring them to juggle work, personal tasks, and leisure, and they find it very frustrating to carry multiple chargers, and they have devices run out of juice regularly. So when you've actually chosen a product, how can you actually market that product? Well, let's talk about the most important thing, which is actually ad creatives as a whole. With 2024 kicking off, it's time for a new philosophy. It's time for a new year, new ads kind of philosophy, a new approach, a change of strategy. Now, if you're serious about taking your dropshipping to the next level in 2024, you need great ads to match a great product. Once you've chosen a so-called winning product, you need some good ad creatives to actually make customers be interested in that product. Now, you can't have a winning product without a winning ad. It just makes no sense. It just doesn't work. Ads are the things that make people click on the product, that go to your landing page and actually make the purchase. And one thing that not everyone knows about is it's not just TikTok, it's actually TikTok and also Facebook that are focused on creatives. It's all about ad creatives now. It doesn't necessarily even matter who you're targeting anymore. If your creative's good, your product will convert, and then you just scale from there. Now, I actually struggled a lot as a beginner because I was making my own ad creatives and they just didn't work. I didn't get many views, and back then I didn't really understand marketing, and I was also mostly just ripping my ads, so it was a hit or miss, and some of them were just oversaturated because everyone was using the same ads. Now, before I actually ran Facebook ads and I was big into Facebook, I actually ran TikTok ads, and that's where I actually found my first winning product. I personally used the TikTok split testing package from viral eCommerce ads at the time because they were the biggest ad creatives agency out out there, so I actually purchased some videos from them. And I saw a pretty decent boost in my sales even before I even knew really how to be good at ecom. Now, even though the first product I actually ran wasn't a winner before I found my winner on TikTok, I actually got a decent amount of sales just because the ads were actually that good. If you want to get optimal results though with ad creatives, you need to run what's called A/B tests. That means that you're running a dynamic creative with multiple different ads, headlines and text combinations to basically get the highest performing ad combination to see what actually sticks. Now, what made viral ecom ads actually stand out when I personally used it was that they have Facebook and TikTok split testing packages. So depending on which ad platform you're actually trying to sell on, there is actually an option on there too. So you can basically test multiple variants of ads. You basically get like 3 ad variants to run and you see which one has the best performance out of all 3 and which one actually converts the best. Now, I actually heard somewhere in the community on Discord, these guys actually create the ads based on what worked for them, and the website says that they've generated over $30 million in sales, so I guess it works pretty well. Now, there's also the image ads testing package, which I think is something that most people sleep on. Don't be sleeping on image ads, right? I run image ads for my main lifestyle brand, which I'm trying to build right now, and I get a pretty good click-through rate on a lot of them. Sometimes I've even seen a higher click-through rate on my image ads, just a basic snapshot of the product, over really well edited video ads. So don't think the image ads don't work, because they actually really do. Now, what I liked about this service when I used it was they deliver in like 1 to 3 days, which is pretty good. It's a really quick turnaround, so I didn't really have to actually wait long if I wanted to test products. I could get the ad creatives quickly, test the products within 1 to 3 days, and I hadn't actually stolen the content, so I didn't get any kind of copyright takedowns, which was the biggest part because they're super common when you're actually dropshipping. Now, in ecom, you have to constantly test products. The VIP program is actually a pretty good shout to check out if you're actually ordering a lot of ad creatives, because it's actually going to give you some big discounts. There's 75% off on all the packages on the website and 30% off on UGC content, and even quicker video delivery times if you're working on the clock like I usually am. I test and kill products super quick with dropshipping because I want to see results in the first 1 to 2 days, and I only have a limited budget usually for testing, so I want to make sure that I get things done and get the data really quickly. So this is the best package if you want the best kind of deal. Back when I was a beginner and I actually used this website, I just chose the package I actually wanted. Then there was like a form that I had to fill out. You just typed in like what you actually wanted from the ads, maybe some custom benefits or pros of the product, and then after a few days passed, I'd get a bunch of personalized ads and a link to download them based on the product I actually linked to them. But now UGC is actually king of content, right? No longer do you just run basic Facebook ads. UGC content and authentic looking organic reviews seem to convert the best, and that's what I have actually recently seen a lot of success with in running on some products that I've been testing. This type of creative is just what's converting for me right now. If you don't know how to do this, basically you can actually get the UGC package on there too, and they just take complete care of it for you. They get a real creator to basically review your product in an authentic looking way, and it's just a huge hack. Trust me, if you want to get into UGC content, it just converts really well. People are getting smarter in terms of seeing like what's an ad and recognizing that it is an ad, so creating stuff with UGC makes them actually want to watch it like it's an organic video they scroll through on social media. So if you're actually serious about achieving some kind of level of success in dropshipping and ecom in 2024, it's time to stop watching those educational videos for a whole bunch of dopamine and actually get into it and start testing it and get that same success for yourself. Get out your comfort zone, check out the link down below if you want to get some ad creatives and also to get the free cheat sheet for all these products to test them out for yourself and start running some ads on Facebook and TikTok. Trust me, investing in ads is actually a game changer. If you don't buy them from an agency, then you have to basically create them yourself or hire people to create them for you. So this saves you a whole bunch of time, especially when the products are getting super saturated now and there's so many competitors and everyone are using the same cookie cutter ads. The customer is going to recognize they've seen the same ad everywhere, so you just really need to stand out, and this is the best way. So click the link down below and get started and start running some ads in January and seeing some real results. Next up is this reusable lint roller. So this uses advanced hair removal technology for thorough cleaning of different surfaces. It has a pet-friendly design, it's very small and compact, it has high reusability factor, it's versatile and gentle, and it has a very ergonomic design. This has a very high consumer demand, it's innovative and unique, it's cost effective and good value for money, and there's good marketing and upsell opportunities for other pet gear, so you could sell them like a scratch post or some pet house or something. Obviously global broad appeal, loads of people have pets, millions if not billions of people own pets in the world. This is great to sell on TikTok because of the younger audience who loves pets, and also Facebook for those cat moms, for an example. Very simple ad. just shows if you rub it on a surface where there's cat hair or pet fur, it'll literally just scrub it up really simply. This product is going to be sold to pet owners who have a more eco-conscious mindset. They need a good product for removing pet hair for a more hygienic living space, who are looking to save money so they don't need to purchase multiple disposable sheets or other products to do the same thing regularly. Next up is the calculator pad. So as you can see, this product has been going quite viral recently on TikTok, and for good reason. It's a good study companion product. Now you can see we're going to source this for £5.29, which is pretty cheap considering what it actually is. Now this does effortless calculations and note taking, so it enhances people's productivity. It's a versatile use product for basic arithmetic all the way to advanced calculus, and it saves people a whole bunch of time. So this is going to be high in demand for the market, which is the education space. Tons of kids go to high school and also go to college and university. This is going to be a good companion product for their studying. So we've got a broad target audience there. It has a unique value proposition because it offers a more competitive edge for students, and it also has very low shipping costs because it's quite a lightweight product even though it's a device. So we're going to market this on TikTok just like this ad, which uses the angle POV. You could have got a scholarship if you knew about the calc pad, our product, in high school, but now you're stuck just throwing garbage away. So it's basically saying if you had this product, you would have been better at maths. So it's going to kind of play on that scarcity and like fear of missing out, FOMO. But we could do lots of ads just showing like the product in action and what it does as well. So this is the website, mathdoodle.store, selling the calc pad. They're selling it for £20 and we're sourcing it for £5. So you can see that's like a 4 times markup, and you can see the compare at price is double. And it's a very simple website. We're using GIFs, we're showing it in action, and we've got a whole bunch of reviews. Very simple. We're basically targeting high school students up to university students, even educators or professionals who need to do frequent calculations and note taking to enhance their work efficiency or their studies to keep their life more organized and efficient. Next up is the mini popcorn machine. So why is this good? Well, basically it quickly makes popcorn. It's very simple and easy to use. It's a compact and portable system, and it has this unique butter warming feature which makes it stand out from other products. And it also has built-in safety features because we don't want it to overheat or melt down. So this has a wide appeal, right? Everyone loves snacking. It has a unique selling proposition, which is the quick time it takes to make a whole bunch of popcorn really quickly, and the butter warmer feature makes it stand out. This has a low shipping weight because even though it is a larger electronic product, it's still light. You can tell this doesn't really typically weigh much, but it also has a high profit margin capability because we're sourcing this for £11, around maybe $15 for an example, and the website is in different currency, but we could definitely sell this for like $30, something like that, or £30. So we can 3 times mark up this pretty easily. This is the ad. I would say sell this on TikTok. You can see this is literally just showing in action and then just showing the offer, free home delivery and also cash on delivery, which is a payment method, and it just shows us just making popcorn. People see this, they think it looks cool. There's a fair bit of engagement on this post, and then they'll click on the website, which is theapparels.fashion, and you can tell this is like a really simple AI generated product page. Not very impressive. This is obviously a general store where they're just throwing up products and testing them. We could do a much better job than this, but this is just an example. So we're going to sell this to families, movie enthusiasts, college students, or even health conscious individuals who want a quick and easy snack. Those who value speed and efficiency, they don't have much time, and maybe people who even like movie nights in, that would be a great example to use as an angle for the creative as well. So there's so much broad kind of groups or demographics we can actually sell this to that we can literally just keep testing different angles and get one that works, or maybe that the competitor hasn't actually tried yet. So there's a lot of potential with this product. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and also click the link down below where you can join my private Discord, where I'm going to be sharing all my private ad strategies on what's working for me right now. You can go on my channel and have a look at all the recent results I've been getting with dropshipping, and you can copy my strategies on TikTok and Facebook to make some serious revenue in 2024. Also, you can message me on my Instagram at the Blue Crusader. Send me a message if you're interested in one-on-one coaching so we can get you some success. If your goal is to reach your first 1K day in 2024, that's completely possible. If you're ready to put in the work, send me a message. I'm looking to take on maybe less than 5 people to really help some people out and get some success this year. If you're actually serious about it, send me a message and I'll see what I can do, and I'll see you guys soon.